जितना ये मुझ पे खिल रहा है। Because ये आज ही डिलीवर हुआ है। I knew which one this is. Oh my god. Can you see it? Oh my god. कौन तेल रखता है लैपटॉप के बगल में? कौन रखता है कॉफी के बगल में तेल? Hi everyone. Today we're diving straight into the world of viral beauty finds. Because एक और influencer ने अगर मेरी स्क्रीन पे आके बोला कि
Ladies, you need to run and get these products.
I will actually run and get these products and try it out for you guys. So for today's video, I actually have a good mix of skincare and makeup products. So grab a snack because अगले 10 से 12 minute में you and I are gonna try a lot of products and see if it's actually worth the hype that the influencers say. And if anything fails, I think I'll have to blame the internet and my shopping addiction. कि क्यों लिया मैंने? But I hope कुछ fail ना करे. Please भगवान. So yeah, now let's switch to my bare face, bare makeup face एकदम. All right, सबसे पहले we are starting with the famous Indie Wild brand, and I have their dewy lip treatment. I can't tell you how many times I've seen all the influencers rave about this. I know अब तो इसका tinted version भी आ गया है, but I have a lot of tinted lip balms already, and I must say the packaging is pretty luxe. I get why it's so popular. मुझे तो actually लगता है कि this brand is working more because of the aesthetics, because इनका जो ये चंपी oil आया है, look at the packaging. I have seen a zillion people just keeping this right next to their laptop. कौन तेल रखता है लैपटॉप के बगल में? कौन रखता है कॉफी के बगल में तेल? Okay, काफी वैसलीन टाइप एप्लीकेटर है. Okay, first review, it's quite thick. It's like that thick, juicy lip balm, and it gives you a nice sheen as well. Feels nourishing as well, and very buttery, but thick. It's not पूरा melted butter. It's a little thick form. कोई unnecessary fragrance वगैरह नहीं है, and कोई unnecessary taste भी नहीं है. Oh my god, I love this. Because I can't tell you कितने सारे tinted lip balms हैं जो मेरे गलती से मुंह में चले जाते हैं and they taste horrible or very sweet. I don't like that feeling. So this is actually pretty good and I love बहुत चिप चिप भी नहीं है. And yes, please ignore my skin. मैं अभी धीरे धीरे और products try करूँगी तो मेरी skin cover up हो जाएगी with makeup. But I'm having a phase with my skin because obviously India आई हूँ भाई, टिक्की गोलगप्पे मोमोज डोसा सब कुछ खाना है मुझे. I just can't stop it even though शादी होने वाली है. Then we have the very loved Dot and Key tinted sunscreen. It's the watermelon one, strawberry dew one. पर मैं इसको टेस्ट नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna test this. This is the viral ultra thin foundation brush. People say कि ये इतना thin है कि इससे एकदम fine layer of foundation आती है, of tints आती है on your skin, and apparently that's the right amount of foundation that you should be using. Base पे तो work करना start करना है भाई. मैं तो सोच रही हूँ अपने कुछ शादी के functions पे खुद ही makeup करूँ. First review, it's actually very thin and it's very stiff. ये move नहीं कर रहा है if you can see. Also, I love Mars के makeup brushes. I've been using them for almost more than 2 years. Wow. Did you see that? What the hell? मुझे और कुछ blend करने का ही ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा. I just had to paint with it, and it just blended so nicely. I love it. It's actually pretty convenient to just spread the foundation all around, and वो भी बहुत seamlessly. Okay, can you see this line यहाँ पे? It's because मैं इसको अच्छे से buff नहीं कर पा रही हूँ with this brush. So this one is specifically if you want a thinner layer of your foundation all over your face, but this wouldn't give you the perfect finish. So obviously इसके बाद एक foundation brush या फिर makeup blender use करना ही पड़ेगा आपको. But I still love this. If you're somebody who's happy with their foundation finish अभी as of now, then let it be. ये इतना ज़रूरी प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. वो जो मैंने टिंट हल्का सा लगाया ना, ऐसे स्प्रेड किया ना, that will look really nice in videos. So I see the appeal behind it, but I don't think so it's a necessity. मार्स के बाकी सेट लो. Okay, my base is done and I'm going to use the most exciting product that I have today. It's from L'Oreal. It's the Infallible 3-second setting mist. Literally मैं वीडियो आज शूट कर रही हूँ because ये आज ही डिलीवर हुआ है. और मैं जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी ना, वहाँ पे टिकटॉक पे everyone was raving about this. But how this is a dupe to all of those high-end luxury setting spray, literally things that don't let your makeup move. But everybody said this is more of a hairspray because इसका जो spray है, it's too harsh on your face. Everybody has recommended that you just close your eyes और ऐसे करके literally सांस रोक के आपको इस setting spray use करना पड़ेगा. So we're gonna test it out right here. I'm very scared actually. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I get बाकी लोग क्या बोल रहे थे dude. Okay, usually जब मैं setting spray डालती हूँ तो it feels like a little watery and dewy. This is leaving nothing. मेरी स्किन ऐसा लग रहा है किसी ने सील कर दी और मुझे फील हो रहा है अपने फेस पे. I'm gonna try it again. It was a little intense, so थोड़ा. Oh my God, मुझे डर लग रहा है. Okay, immediately आप आँख और नाक और मुंह नहीं खोल सकते. Oh my God, but I literally feel like मैं अपनी eyebrow भी ऐसे नहीं उठा पा रही हूँ. It has sealed my face. This claims for 36 hours no transfer. I'm gonna test it today. Nothing. But nothing. It has sealed everything. And honestly मैं जितना imagine करी थी ना कि बहुत चिप करेगा, ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है इसने. बाकी I'll have to see all throughout the day. I'll update you guys, but let's move on. Okay, next we have the most viral product by Maybelline, which is causing a lot of rift on the internet because people just hate it in India. I am talking about obviously the sun-kissed blush. Can you see the glow on my cheeks? यहाँ पे perfect सा हल्का सा peachy, glowy सा look आ रहा है. It's this one. And I was so excited कि ये इंडिया में finally launch हो रहा है. I can finally talk about it and people would rave about it. But I don't know who is in the marketing team of Maybelline. They did not launch this color. So सारी लड़कियाँ जो complain कर रही हैं on the internet कि it's not showing up on dusky people, it's not showing on medium skin tones as well, is true because they did not launch this color. This is 06 City Sizzle. मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी 6 ranges में से ये choose किया because this was more warm and peachy and just deeper and I knew बाकी सब मेरी skin tone पे उतने खिलेंगे नहीं या खिलेगा नहीं वो कलर जितना ये मुझ पे खिल रहा है. Can you see it? I will however say it कि इसमें उतना glow नहीं है. The glitter somehow doesn't transfer on my skin. It is not a matte blush. It's glowy, but it's not as glowy as they claim it to be. And nor have they launched the right colors for the Indian market. Maybelline has completely lost the plot, I feel like. Okay, but in case you are looking for a blusher which gives you the perfect highlight, all in one, go for the e.l.f. Halo Glow. The pink one. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. नहीं तो कोई भी अपने matte color में भी कोई एक liquid highlighter लगा लो यार चलेगा. But I had such high hopes with this launch, but really, it's not worth it, guys. Even though people are telling you don't buy it, unless you're very fair, tab le lo. But I still feel like e.l.f. wala is much better than this. From one Maybelline product to another, जिसके लिए मैं बहुत excited थी. Yes, the Burgundy Sky High. This also I did not buy it here. मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दिसंबर में ले लिया था because all of these things get launched there. पहले तो I have used it a lot. The things that I like about this Sky High mascara, it actually lifts my lashes. Let me show it to you. Can you see it? 4 बार बस मैंने इसको घुमाया है. Literally, I've just used 4 swipes, and what a stunning voluminous lift it has given to my lashes. यहाँ देखो non-existent, and यहाँ देखो. But let's talk about the con. कहीं से लग रहा है this is burgundy. Yes, this is more subtle than the black ones. It's not exactly brown as well, but somehow it doesn't show up. Actually, the thing is, हम इसको ऐसा burgundy, oh my God, luckily I have the correct hair color. I was expecting it to show up like this, जैसे वो मेरे बालों में show कर रहा है, but it doesn't do that. But इसका तो ये नहीं है कि it's not a good mascara. It still gives, you know, थोड़ा subtle effect. That's why I've been using this. वरना मैं L'Oreal का panoramic जो था, golden packaging वाला, I used to love that. But उससे subtle है, उतना ही lift दे रहा है, इतना long lasting non smudging mascara है. One day I had it on for 13 hours and it was like still literally ऐसे जैसा अभी है. अगर आप बरगंडी कलर एक्सपेक्ट करो then don't buy it, but if you just want a good mascara, I feel like इसकी ज़्यादा सेल होने नहीं वाली तो इस पर better discount आने वाले हैं than the regular black mascara, so get it. It's actually pretty good. Let's move ahead to one of my favorite skincare brands and most loved by all Indian women, Plum Goodness. Actually, Plum Body Loving. इन दोनों के इतने campaigns चले हैं and thankfully उन्होंने मेरा भी थोड़ा bank balance सही किया because I worked with them. So their caramel lotion, I think 2 साल हो चुके हैं इस launch को. It's still one of my most loved ranges. I love using their perfume, body mist and this baby as well. ये मेरा permanently वॉशरूम में पड़ा रहता है यहाँ पे. Now this one was their newer launch marshmallow melt with shea butter. Now see, I love them both. Both of them smell amazing. This has that caramel vanilla, वो gourmand वाली एकदम fragrance. And people also say it's Sol de Janeiro का dupe है. I like this more actually. Talking about this one. This is equally moisturizing. It's very lightweight. I love the glow it gives me, but I have an issue with the smell. It has that very nostalgic cream biscuit वाली fragrance. And I'm not kidding. I'm not making it up. मुझे literally से मुझे एक ऑरेंज ब्रिक शेप का क्रीम बिस्किट आता था, बिल्कुल वैसी फ्रेग्रेंस है इसकी. एंड इट्स वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक एंड आई लव इट. बट ओवर वीक्स ऑफ यूजिंग देम बोथ आई फील लाइक आई स्टिल लव दिस वन मोर. दिस इज वे मोर यूनिवर्सल in my personal taste. I like this more than this. This can be slightly too sweet for people. Agar you don't mind utterly sweet smelling body lotions, then go for this one. कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा, you would love this. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to talk about my favorite find from this video. And it's again from Mars. Mars को मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. Why is it launching and making so many efforts towards the Indian audience? इतने efforts तो कोई इंटरनेट कपल का बॉयफ्रेंड ड्यूरिंग वैलेंटाइंस वीक तक नहीं करता है जितने लॉन्चेस मार्स कर चुका है. आई फील लाइक मैं जब सांस लेती हूँ, जब इंस्टाग्राम खोलती हूँ, हर हफ्ते एक इनका नया लॉन्च होता है. And I equally feel tempted to try it out because literally Mars is killing it. Mars is giving you luxury, Korean beauty under budget. This is hardly for 200 or 300 bucks. मैंने बताया नहीं product कौन सा है. This is Velvet Lip Tint in the shade 3 Words. It looks beautiful. This is my current favorite go-to lip combo. I just use this हल्का सा maroon yet purpley lip liner shade from Swiss Beauty and then I just apply this as a tint. It gives such a beautiful tint. नहीं, it actually genuinely gives that effect of juicy, naturally pink lips. कि वो ultra pink मुझ पे सूट नहीं करता है, वो मुझ पे natural नहीं लगता है. This is the correct shade that just works on my medium skin. And I feel like इस new hair color के साथ तो I am loving this. इसके ऊपर कभी-कभी I just apply another gloss and I'm good to go. मैं जब ये हेयर कलर कराने भी गई थी तब भी मैंने दिन में इसको 12 बजे लगाया था and all throughout the hair color 5 बजे 6 बजे जब finally मैं कुछ खाने गई थी तब भी it was there on my lips and it looked stunning. So in case you have a hectic day, बस इसको अपने lips पे dab कर लो and you will be sorted for at least 7 to 8 hours. And I don't know what Mars has done in this product, but it genuinely stays, dude. It genuinely stays. And अब ऐसा नहीं लग रहा मेरे lips are so naturally pink and so juicy and so kissable. कुछ और मत खरीदो मार्स से, but अभी if you are a skin tone closer to mine, get this 03 in Velvet Lip Tint. I think shade का नाम ही actually ये है. It's their Love Track collection. 3 words. Get 3 words. You won't believe अभी क्या हुआ. मैंने बस अपना hair band निकाला and I'm noticing my hair is like this. And it's not because मैंने hair band लगाया. It's because मैंने ये fixing spray use किया था and stuck on my hair. I can literally feel इस पे वो spray लगा हुआ है. Has L'Oreal reused their hairspray as a fixing spray? I don't know what to say. Last but not the least, I have something from skincare as well. It's called Foxtail का Radiance Mask. पर मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Because literally I posted a story in this mask and I got replies कि ये Foxtail वाला mask है ना, ये Foxtail वाला mask है. And a guy knew which one this is. Actually very proud of that guy as well कि चल तुझे अपनी skin के बारे में तब पता है. You actually know about popular skin care brands and things. And I use this in my just casually telling you guys कि मेरी शादी हो रही है video because I was so done with everything. And I must say मैंने उसके बाद एक बार और ही try किया. It is actually genuinely very good. It cleaned my pores really nicely. मेरी skin, मेरी nose बहुत smooth feel करती है इसको 5 मिनट रखने के बाद. And detan का मैं उतना नहीं बोल सकती because I haven't gotten tanned उतना. But it definitely leaves my skin feeling fresh and brightened. So, and it's actually not very expensive as well. 545 का इतना बड़ा tub है, so definitely worth the money. And Foxtail is one of my favorite brands when it comes to skincare. I love the sunscreens and serums. So this mask is also getting added to that list of products. I love it. Alright, that is all for this video. Let me know which is that item that you're the most tempted to try out. Like abhi purchase करना है. Let me know in the comment section and let me know if you have any other products that you want me to try because literally मैंने बहुत सारी shopping करी है but धीरे धीरे करके वो सब आपके सामने आएगा. अभी के लिए my favorite has to be the Foxyl one. The L'Oreal setting spray unknowingly is doing a great job. And the Mars lip tint, it's beautiful. ये मेरे year end favorites में भी आ सकते हैं, ये मुझे इतने पसंद है, so that says a lot. And I will see you very very soon. Until then, stay happy and stay hydrated. Okay, bye.